My name is Lela and I'm the blogger behind Organized-ish. I am a professional organizer and a blogger, and my entire focus is all about home and life organization.
I don't have time to vacuum every day, but with 3 cats, my house really needs it.
About 9 months ago, we decided that our garage was really just overflowing. So we started looking at what options we could do. We can't really build onto our garage, so a shed was the perfect option for us. And today we are all here because I just got a brand new Tuff Shed, and I think we're gonna give you a little tour. We are in Atlanta, Georgia at the Tuff Shed factory. They invited me out to take a tour, see how all these sheds are put together, and hopefully I'm gonna see my exact shed before it gets put on the truck. What really drew me to Tuff Shed was the fact that everything here is made locally, here in America, handmade, hand-painted, hand-built. I'm just blown away at the attention to detail that I've seen here. Honestly, the reason why I chose Tuff Shed out of all the other brands is the customizability. There's so many things that you can change in these sheds, and I love the fact that I can make this exactly what I need from the start, so I don't really have to worry about trying to find things that are gonna fit later. My install is tomorrow, and I can't wait. We have the entire yard prepped and ready. We've been planning this for 9 months, and I'm so excited to see it finally come together. I played around with the configurator on the Tuff Shed website for a long time, and instead of having one big open shed, we decided to put a partition wall down the middle. So basically I'm getting 2 sheds instead of 1. So one side is gonna be all about storage, and the other side is gonna be my gardening and potting shed in the summer, and then in the winter, it'll turn into a craft space. So the value of having 2 sheds in one is amazing. Tuff Shed made it really simple and easy, and they really helped me visualize how everything was gonna come together. We added the keyless entry because I am notorious for locking myself in and out of places. So now we can just type in a code and the door is always gonna unlock whether I have the key or not. In our city, we do have to have a permit before you can have a shed, and I have no idea where to even start to make that happen. And luckily, Tuff Shed handles all of the permitting. I was having a conversation with one of my Instagram followers just last night, and she already has 1 Tuff Shed. She's planning on adding a second one, and she said that her oldest Tuff Shed is 12 years old, and she really can't even tell a difference from the day it was installed until the time it is now. And in the world of so many disposable things, a Tuff Shed, you buy it for life.
Thank you.